Hello friends, welcome again in our channel. Today we will see how we can insert the thousands or millions of record into the SQL server by the SQL bulk insert command. Right. So in the application of development, right, or the SQL administrator, we need a requirement like we need to insert a millions or thousands of record to the SQL server with good performance, right? So there are many ways to insert the data into the SQL in bulk, but SQL bulk insert is a very efficient way to insert the data, right? Its performance is very good. Okay, so let's see how we can insert millions of record into the database by the bulk insert command very efficiently, right? So we will see a small demo to this concept. Okay, so first you need to open a SQL Server Management Studio. Right, in this SQL Server Management Studio, I have created a test database for you. Right, so that test database is already created. So right now I have not created any table. So first we will create the table into the database and then insert the data into this table by the bulk insert command. Okay, so I have created a command or queries for you. So these all the queries. So first we need to copy the complete query. Then I will explain what is the query. Okay, so copy this query into the query analyzer. Okay, right. So this part for the query is for creating the database table into the database. Okay, so use TestDB. So create table employee. So I have created 4 columns: employee code, employee name, employee phone, and email address. Right. Then I have also created a cluster index with the employee code column. Okay, so that is the query for the table creation. It's a simple query. I think you already know. You can also create the table by the designer. Okay, so but I am showing by the query. So you can execute this query, select and then execute. Okay, so what he's saying, there is already an object name table employee into the table. Okay, no issue. Go and refresh. So there are a table. So I have created previously. So we can delete that particular table. Okay, okay. Then go and refresh. So table created successfully. Okay, you can check, refresh the table. Okay, go to the table and see table has been created. Okay, then we need to create a text file which contain all these data. For the testing purpose, I have created a text file for you, employee data, and I have written down 6 rows in this column. So all these columns are separated by the column and row is separated from the semicolon. Okay, I have only 6 record, but you can insert thousands or millions of record by the bulk insert command to the SQL server. Okay, close that file. What is the path for this file? So that is the path csql c/SQL data. Okay, you go to the SQL server, right? So this is the bulk insert command. Bulk insert TestDB is a database name .dbo.tblEmployee from. That is the path. That is the path for the my file like SQlData employee data. So that is the path. Okay, SQlData and employee data.txt. Then with bracket Fieldterminator. I already told that colon is my field terminator and semicolon is for row terminator. Okay, then bracket, then go. So this is the bulk insert command to insert the data to the SQL. So I have also put this bulk insert syntax to the video description, so you can download or see or use this bulk insert command to your program. Okay, so I need to execute this, then execute. Okay, so 6 rows affected. So what does this mean? That 6 rows has been inserted to the database. So we need to check. I have also written self staff from TV employee. So run this command. Okay, so 6 rows has been inserted to the database. So you can see by the bulk insert queries, we can successfully insert the data to the tables, right? So you can inserted thousands or millions of record to the SQL data within a seconds, right? That its performance is very fast. Okay, so you can, by using this bulk insert, you can insert millions of data into the database. I hope you like this video, right? So if you like this video, subscribe my channel and share this video to your friends. Thank you.